Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable duck earrings from polymer clay. You will need yellow clay, this one is yellow by Sculpey. Some orange clay, this one is orange by Sculpey. A craft blade, a dotting tool, 6mm eye beads, or you can use black clay to make the eyes, eye hooks, a finishing coat for the charms. I'm using a water-based varathane polyurethane that dries crystal clear, some earring wires, and a tool for the earring wires. Let's get started. First, we're going to cut a piece of the yellow clay off to work with. We're going to roll it into a ball, and then we're going to cut it in half, with one side being just slightly bigger than the other, like so. The smaller side is going to be the head, and the larger one is the body. Now we're going to roll both pieces into a ball. I noticed that these are just a little bit too big, so I cut off a small piece from each and re-rolled them. Now this is about the size that we want for our duck. We're going to start with the body, and we're going to pinch one side like so to form the tail. Form it upward with your finger to give it an upward curve. And now we're going to place the head onto the body and gently push down to attach. Now we're going to make the wings, so we need 2 small yellow balls. You can measure it up against the duck's side to see if it's too big or too small, but you want it to be about this size. Now we're going to flatten the ball between our fingers and pinch one side like we did with the body to form a curve upward. Then we'll just attach it to the body by gently pressing the wing and softening the edges onto the body. Repeat this for the other side. Now we're going to grab the orange clay and cut a small piece off and roll that into a small ball. Then we're going to roll that into a cylinder, and then we're going to roll the end of the cylinder to form a dull point. Now we'll just take the craft blade and cut that dull point off, and this is going to be the beak for our duck. So we're just going to grab that and place it on his face like so. I'm going to be using a needling tool to further attach the edges, but you don't have to. My camera also refused to focus, so I am so sorry about that. But we're just taking that needling tool and just softening down those edges just to attach it a little bit further to the duck. Again, you don't have to do this. When you use the polyurethane as the finisher, it'll also help seal on that little beak. Now I'm just going to grab some isopropyl alcohol and run that along our duck just to clean off any kind of debris to make him nice and pretty before baking. Next, we'll take the 6mm beads and the dotting tool to add the eyes to our duck. If you don't have the beads, you can roll a similar size piece of black clay and attach eyes that way. You also don't need a dotting tool, it just makes it easier to plan out where the eyes are going to go before you attach them. Just press the eyes in so that they're secure, and then we're going to take the eye hook and place it into the top of the duck's head so we can attach the earrings. For dangle earrings, you want to make sure the eye hook opening is facing you. If you want to make him a charm instead, make sure to turn the eye hook like so. I'm making him into a pair of earrings though, so I will keep it this way. Now just bake according to your clay's instructions. Here is our duck all baked. If you notice, I do have a few others in the background because I am making several pairs of earrings, but if you want just one pair, be sure to make 2 ducks. To finish our ducks, we're going to use the polyurethane, and I'm going to use old ornament hangers and paper clips to hang the ducks on to dry. I'm also going to be using a plastic brush. Place the ornament hook or paper clip through the top of the duck and dip him into the polyurethane. Allow the excess to drop off, and this is where I'm going to be using the plastic brush to just grab all that excess that gathers at the bottom and get it off. You want to make sure that all the excess is picked up before you let him dry. Now allow the duck to dry, and you'll want to do this a total of 3 times for 3 coats on the duck. Here they are, all nice and shiny with their 3 coats on. Now we're going to take the tool and open up the earring wires to slide the duck on. And then we'll just close that back up, and there is our finished first earring. So we're just going to repeat that to the other duck. And there we have it, our finished pair of duck earrings all ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching and learning how to make your own polymer clay ducks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like so YouTube knows this video is helpful and recommends it to others so they can learn too. Subscribe as well for new videos every week, and I will catch you guys in the next one.